Handbrake neutral. Okay, cancel indicator. So if you come this way, the first thing the examiner is going to do, as we explained previously, is they're going to make you first pull up to see if you can deal with the hill start here, because you're going to have a really steep hill at the roundabout. Okay, let's see what you do. Move off by yourself. If you stall, you try to fix it yourself.
Okay.
No. It's always gear 1, biting point, then check. So the other way around. Really good control. And then roundabout, I would not go to 2 in that situation because the car's shaking. And you're on the wrong side of the lane. I will take control, come off everything, gas a bit. Okay, restore. Restart the car, please. Restart the car, let me take control. Restart quickly. Okay, gas a bit. So you went to the wrong side of the road, gas a bit. And you went to get too early, steep, isn't it? We need power. Gas, I will not go to 2 yet. Let's go to the hill. Let's go right. Indicate right. Forget changing gears. Indicate right. Stay in your lane. Indicate right. Hold that speed. You've got enough power, yeah? Go towards the left. A little bit gas. See, struggling already. Gas. And you press the gas, you go to 1. Gas, please. Gas. You pressing it? Clutch down, go to 1. Clutch down, go to 1. And go. Move a bit right. Good. You see how it struggled? Yeah. So either you go to 1 before you press the gas, but it wasn't enough, so we have to go to a lower gear.
Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. We're about to do a driving test route. This is an exact test route a driving examiner will take, and it's quite a difficult area. There's a lot of hills, so if you've got a test coming up and you got a lot of hills in your area, then definitely watch this video. Or if you've got a test coming up and you just want to see what examiners look at for how they examine, how they mark, what are their directions, then watch the whole video. We got a driving test route, an exact test route, and a mock test. Before we start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And do go to our channel fmdriverschool.co.uk for all the latest tips on how to pass your driving test and your theory test.
Alright, so what we're going to do, so as we just showed you, those people are actually doing their test. So we start from here. We're actually going to do the hill though, okay? So imagine it's your test, move off from here. No, it's on. Clutch goes down, yeah, gear 1. No, gear 1. Good. Check on your right blind spot, don't forget. Blind spot, not the mirror. Yeah. You understand? Mirror's not enough. Okay, keep driving. Now, a bit more left. Now the problem is this hill up ahead. Keep driving. Speed up, it's alright. Go up to gear 2. So it depends on the car. You know, if your car's more powerful, you could probably handle that hill. If not, you go to a lower gear. It's also a bend. We have to anticipate cars coming down like this. Let's get past these 2 cars and he can wait. So check our left mirror, we can move out the way if we need to. Okay. Let's deal with the hill. So nice, really tricky hill up ahead. Good practice. Look behind you. See that car behind you? Yeah, big Range Rover now. We have to deal with that behind. Make sure you don't hold back basically. When we get closer, we'll take it on 1, alright? Just to give you power. Or we can take it in 2. Watch. Keep going. Actually, we can take it in 2. Hold that speed. You've got enough power, yeah? Go towards the left. A little bit gas. See, struggling already. Gas. And you press the gas, you go to 1. Gas, please. Gas. You pressing it? Clutch down, go to 1. Clutch down, go to 1. And go. Move a bit right. Good. You see how it struggled? Yeah. So either you go to 1 before you press the gas, but it wasn't enough, so we have to go to a lower gear. Keep going. Go to gear 2. And then the examiner will say to you, find somewhere safe to stop up ahead. They want to test your hill start right now. So we're going to check our left mirror. Yeah, good. Indicate. Get yourself in. Coming closer. Let's get a bit more near the pole so it's a bit more steeper. And clutch down. Indicate left again. And more left. And brake about here. Brake here. Good. Okay. Handbrake neutral. Good. Cancel indicator. So if you come this way, the first thing the examiner is going to do, as we explained previously, is they're going to make you first pull up to see if you can deal with the hill start here, because you're going to have a really steep hill at the roundabout. Okay, let's see what you do. Move off by yourself. If you stall, you try to fix it yourself.
Okay.
No. It's always gear 1, biting point, then check. So the other way around. Really really good control. And then roundabout, I would not have gone to 2 in that situation. So the car's shaking. And you're on the wrong side of the lane. I will take control, come off everything, gas a bit. Okay, restore. Restart the car, please. Restart the car, let me take control. Restart quickly. Okay, gas a bit. So you went to the wrong side of the road, gas a bit. And you went to get too early, steep, isn't it? We need power. Gas, I will not go to 2 yet. Let's go to the hill. Let's go right, indicate right. Forget changing gears. Indicate right, stay in your lane. Indicate right, scan. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear?
Yep.
Got it? Yeah. Come right. Do you understand your fault?
I know.
Okay, carry on. Speed is a road here. Can you see it? What speed is the road?
20.
Yeah, it's there on the right. The next time I might say to you, find some safety stop. So let's do it. Find some safety stop, please.
Here.
Yes.
I don't know which way.
Check
This
out.
one or this
It's
one?
always the left side. Check out
Left.
mirrors, interior left. Indicate left. Okay, just look at the bays. You understand? Come in next to the high curb. Touch down and brake. Move a bit. Brake. More right. And straighten up. Okay. And road neutral. Cancel the indicator. Relax. The examiner says find some safety stop. Is always the left side. Always the left.
Unless he tell you.
Unless if he says
Go on the
right,
right.
then it'll be direct. Because then you're doing the reverse exercise. Okay? Move on from here, please.
Yeah, I'm just waiting.
Okay. You can always get the car ready while you're waiting.
Ah,
And what we'll do as we go, yeah, good. As we move on, we'll take this first road on the left, okay? Up ahead, yeah, that road on the left.
10 meters again, we go straight.
Left, I said.
Left.
This one. What's the action?
Look,
That's it,
look.
yeah. Good. Do all these roads now. Look how tight the roads are. Excellent. These really tight roads. So look far ahead. What do you see? Tell me what you see.
The pillar.
Pillars, and it's also going uphill a bit.
Yeah.
So what do you think you have to do when you get there?
First gear?
First gear, yes.
I would say.
Yeah, and I'll agree. So get there, you get closer. So touchdown, yeah, go down to gear 1. Gently release, move a bit more left.
Oh, yeah.
Take your time, take your time, take your time.
Oh. Did we do this one before?
We have, we went the other way around. Just take your time. A little bit of gas, it needs a bit of gas. There we go. Excellent. When you think gear 1, if I had him in 2, would have struggled and most
more
likely
control,
stalled.
yeah.
There should be a little bit of gas in his power, but it should be another pin up ahead. Yeah, but this time it's going downhill. So then let's keep going. So these are all test routes. So start braking, move here. And off the brake. Yeah. That's it. Excellent. Roundabout, let's take the first exit, okay? The roundabout there. Well, that was quite tricky. Really difficult test route. And look at this car that he's pushing in, so we're gonna wait. Touchdown, right. Yeah, check our right move so you're ready to go. Is it clear? We'll take the first exit on the roundabout.
First exit.
Yeah, go to gear 2, please.
Roundabout.
Okay. Mirrors on left, interior left, indicate left, indicate please. There's cars in the way, just be careful, look around.
So this is our exit.
Yeah, that's our exit. Get closer please, get to the edge.
What's with this car? Should
I
we
know,
go
we have to
over
go
him?
around him, yes. Brake please, this car's going to brake. We have to go around him, he's blocking your car. No, wait, they're coming around. Brake. Is there a gap now? Is he coming? Yeah, we'll wait. Please, he's here. Look right, get ready. There's a gap. 1 second. No, he's coming around. Okay, your road is cleared up now on your road. Let's go now. Good quick. If you're not quick enough, change your move.
They gone?
Yeah.
Hey, we're good to go.
And yeah, if you're quick, come on. You're not quick enough. This is lady. Go now, big chance, left lane. This lady as well. Okay, and go ahead, push it. In this lane. Go to 2 please. Check out my car. A lot of obstructions there. Really tricky. We did it in the end. Crash down. No. Find the biting point. Handbrake back up. Find the biting point as you roll back. Now go. It's a bit hilly, isn't it? The second exit right. Go out to gear 2 please. So see the roundabout? There'll be 2 exits. I'm gonna go towards the right of it at the roundabout.
Second exit.
Yes please. So check our right mirror. On that right side. Is it clear on that right?
I don't see anything.
Get closer then and scan. Is it clear? Yeah, it's clear though.
Yeah.
It's been blocked off. Look right one more time.
So we have priority on
Yes,
these people, yeah?
they're on your left side.
And that's the end of part 1. Do go to our channel FM Driver School and our site fmdriverschool.co.uk for loads more driving test routes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.